morning to our Ransquawk listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. It's been quite a busy session so far. In terms of news flow, the big one was overnight, where Moody's Investors Services, as covered in the FT, did downgrade the likes of Italy, Spain and also Portugal, and they changed the outlook to negative for the AAA rated nations such as Austria as well as the UK and France. As such, we did open with a relative risk-averse tone, generally lower in the euro currency, as too were the stock futures, and a higher fixed income open in bunds. However, that has swiftly retraced as we've gone through the session. We are now trading higher into the North American Open, with euro-dollar back above the 132 handle. This has come after several things. Firstly, some supportive comments out of the Chinese Premier Wen Jiabao, who has said will look to further involve themselves, that's China, in the European situation, and also look at ways in which they can take part as well in regard to the EFSF and the ESM. So that was one thing. Secondly, we've had numerous government bond auctions, predominantly geared towards the short end, but we did have BTP supply coming out of Italy. That was the real key catalyst for the rally that we saw in stock futures and the fall in bunds. This came after they sold 6 billion in total in 3 separate lines. That was at the top end of indicative ranges of 3.5 to 6 billion. And then elsewhere, in terms of economic data, the latest German ZW survey impressed and moving into positive territory against a negative reading that was expected on the street, and that has prompted this now risk appetite we've observed throughout the morning. Looking forward in terms of the US session, the main data release is going to be that of the US Advanced Retail Sales Reports, but also as well we're keeping a close eye on any movement in the sterling currency. We did see a fall in the CPI reading earlier this morning. That did come in at 3.6%, although that was expected. Quite a severe drop from previous, but most analysts putting down to the fact that the VAT calculation, which came into effect this time last year, is now out of the equation. That pretty much concludes the opening wrap for me for the moment, so for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.